said.
Women's gum is itching. Good morning. All right, good morning. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Doris Etito. How are you doing? Happy Sunday. I hope you had a good night rest. I've been awake since past 4 a.m. It's already past 5 a.m. now. See, like I've been awake over an hour ago. You know the usual thing now. Bruno wake me up, and I breastfeed him. He's asleep now, and today is Sunday. We are going to church. I want to quickly tidy up before they wake up and go to church. All right, so I want to quickly take care of this sitting room, do other chores, prepare breakfast before we head out to church. We have masses for 7 and 9 a.m. When I say we have masses, because we are Catholics. We are Catholics. Catholics. All right, so we are Catholics, and our masses by 7 and 9, but we'll be attending 9 a.m. mass. All right, so let's get into our day. Oh my god, I just finished sweeping, cleaning the sitting room. The rest of the squad member he is awake. Ricky is awake, and Brume has been awake since. In fact, he woke up when I was still sweeping. I carried him on my back to mop, and Yeah, Ricky, come and say good morning. Oh, I have to come. Say hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
How do you do?
How you do?
How was your night?
Tonight.
I hope you slept well. Say
One
happy
minute.
Sunday.
Happy Sunday.
Say happy Sunday.
Happy Sunday.
Alright. Oh, time has gone. Oh, it's to 7. Ricky, we are going to church today, okay? We have like 2 hours plus before service. So 2 hours plus is enough for me to bathe them and prepare breakfast. But I want to sweep outside, okay? So let's go outside to sweep. Brume, you stay inside, eh? I can't take you out because of dust.
Oh, I do myself to shower.
No, let me finish sweeping first, eh?
Keep quiet. Ma! Dad!
Brume, is this your gum scratcher? Hmm?
It's good. Mommy, Burma said.
Brume's gum is itchy. Okay, so we are ready, we are done, and we are about to leave the house now. Brume, say hi. Brume, you are playing with my necklace.
Burma is playing a necklace.
Look at Ricky. Ricky, wave your hand, say hi.
Hi!
Alright, so we are ready
Mommy!
now. Yes?
Mommy, no, you have to say bye.
Okay, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like,
Mommy!
share.
Mommy, no!
Yes.
Mommy, no! Why?
Leave comments and please subscribe. I'll see you in my next video. Goodbye.
Bye.
Yes, BY, bye. Goodbye. Ricky said goodbye.
Bye.
Bye. Say see you soon.
See you soon.
Bye.
Bye.
Say I love you.
Bye, Rukawe.
Say bye from Rukere.
Bye, Rukawe.
From Rukere.
From
From Rukere.
Yes. Pronounce me.
Hey, Brume.
Hey, mommy.
Sugar, Brume.
Hey, mommy.
Sugar, Brume. Brume, smile now.
Mommy. Mommy.
All right.